Whispers from the Brighter World, beloved Master, revered Bapuji Maharaj, Tuesday, February 20th, 2001, 10 a.m. Stay away from the ambient noise. It is an excellent exercise for learning how to isolate oneself. Immerse yourself in this luminous space through which you have this contact. Isn't it a success? You center yourself in a kind of bubble, and what surrounds you loses its importance. In these privileged moments, the inner being has all its prerogatives. All that affects the physical body is partly abolished. That is how this meditative state can recharge your batteries so well. Its perceptions decrease in intensity to give way to another quality of listening. The appeased sense foster intuition, inspiration, and in your case, your own faculty of catching us. Meditation in this modern world is all the more necessary. Millions of beings on the earth benefit from this beneficial aspect. Man needs to find himself. He aspires to it even if he is not a contemplative and is not open to any esoteric teaching. When he is ready for the true process, the opportunity arises. The master who is intended for him appears in his life and he begins a search that will lead him towards his noblest goal. Such is man's destiny on this earth. Its manifestations are sometimes painful, but light is at the end of the road and attracts him even before he becomes aware of it. Babuji. Monday, February 19th, 2001, 10 a.m. The medium says, "You are a poet, Babuji, and your songs delight my heart. I feel so close to you that they resonate in me like soft music. You praise love so well that a loving heart has been touched." He poeticizes, as he says, your writings to highlight their subtlety. They are so rich and so varied when one wants to read them well and grasp the beauty thereof. Hearts that feel it in their own depths cannot say to the contrary. They are nourished by it every day without wanting to stop. You recently asked me to let my heart speak, to not hold it back. So it is love that argues me to do it, and I only find these words to thank you. My dear daughter, I appreciate that effort. You see how easy it is to let one's heart speak without worrying about the reactions of others. Nothing could be done without this freedom. Men paid dearly for the right to express themselves, but heroism does not lie in fights, violence, and cries. It lies in the inner pursuit of the best and the beautiful, and in the way of living it and of showing the riches of a living, loving, and surrendered heart. These treasures are so rare that they should not remain hidden. Babuji.